Hello everyone, welcome to our channels. We at Wise. Today we are going to teach you how to use the if function in the Excel. The if function is a very useful in the field of calculations. Let's get started. Okay, the first we are going to use the if function by showing the output in number. Okay. For example, if we need to use the if function, you need to type equal to symbols here, then followed by the if. After that, you will see in the if function pop out here. Okay. You just double click to select the if function. Okay. As you can see, the first is the condition, a logical test for the if function. For example, here, the condition is if this self value of D3, okay, is greater than 0, I will let the output here to show 1, okay? Otherwise, I will show it 0, okay? Let me repeat again. If the value of D3 is greater than 0, right? This cell will equals to 1. Otherwise, this cell will equal to 0, okay? Then you just press enter, okay? See, this cell of S3 equals to 1 because the D3's sales value is greater than 0, right? Okay. If you change the value of D3 equals to 0, okay? This output will also show 0. Okay? Alright? Next, we are moving into the if function by showing the output in text. Okay? We just type equals to if again. For example, here, if the Bitcoin cross price here is greater than the Bitcoin open price here, okay? I will show in the text as increase, okay? If the Bitcoin cross price is greater than the Bitcoin open price, okay? I will show here increase. Otherwise, I will show decrease. Okay. When using read the text, don't forget to put the double question mark here. Okay? Double question mark here. Okay. Then, you just press enter. See? Because the cross price of the Bitcoin is greater than the open price, so this cell show increase. If you change the cross price smaller than or less than the open price, okay, this sales will show decrease. Okay, this is the if function formula. If you need to show in the text, okay, don't forget to put double question mark for the text. Okay, alright, next we are moving into a more complicated if function with AND. Okay. For example here, I could go for the if AND function. I select if function first. Then I add more AND function, okay? For if AND function here, there are two conditions, right? Logical 1 and logical 2 means condition 1 and condition 2. For example, ice juice if AND function with the Bitcoin price if AND this one the open price of the Bitcoins of today's, okay, is it greater than the Bitcoin cross price of today, okay, and the Bitcoin price open price of yesterday's is also greater than the Bitcoin cross price of yesterday, okay? This is the condition 2. I will show in the number here. 1, for example. At the Y, I will show 0. Okay? If AND condition 1, condition 2, output 1 if true, output 0 if false, okay? Then just press enter here. See? Okay, let me repeat again. If AND B9 is this, right? 65,000 is greater than E9, right? E9 is 64. And B10, 66,000, right? Greater than E10, 65,000. So, both conditions are met. Then, the output should be 1 here, okay? Alright? At the Y would be 0. For example, if I change this one's greater than the open price, it puts 80,000. For example, this one should be 0, right? Because the first condition here is not true, right? Okay, next, let's move into the if and all function. Okay? To use if and all function, we just type equals to if. Okay, choose the if function first, then flowing by the all function. Okay? For example, in this Bitcoin price, the first conditions I select if the Bitcoin open price is different. Yes, different symbol, right? Different from 0. Or Bitcoin cross price is different from 0. Okay? I will show the value of 1, okay? Otherwise, I will show this check, okay? If all function there are two conditions, but we need only one condition to be true. Among the true condition, okay, is different from the AND function. If the AND function, we need both conditions to meet, okay? For now, we just press enter. Okay. You can see both self B12 is greater than 0, right? E12 also greater than 0, so the value equals to 1 here. Conversely, if either cell, for example, equal to 0, this output still be 1 because one condition is met, okay? As you can see it, B12 is not different from the 0, but the E12 is different from 0 here. So, the output is 1, okay? If you need the output to be pre-checked, okay, you just change this one to 0. Okay? As you can see, B12 not meet the condition. E12 also not meet the condition. They are not different from 0. So, the output show. Please check. Okay, alright. For the E function in the Excel, we hope you will understand the ideas and apply the E function to your job more efficiently. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe in order not to miss the other useful videos from our channels. Thank you.